Hi everyone, it's Rachel. I am here today to do the tutorial for you guys using the Animal Crossing Wadahoo palette from Colourpop. It is part of their Animal Crossing New Horizons collection, which is super cute, and it is what I used to achieve this look today. Once again, as always, I am on Instagram and TikTok at rachel.alexandra.makeup. I will have that written on the screen here, and it will be in the description. So please go ahead and give those a follow, give this video a like, give it a watch, let me know what you think. And if you want to see how I created this beautiful look, then please stick around because we're about to get started. So I just wanted to mention that I'm using the Flower Tender blush today. That's what I'm wearing currently. It is this shade, if you don't remember. It's very pretty. And I also wanted to point out that I am wearing the ACNH Organics Bali Bronze as my bronzer and my contour today. I am a brand ambassador for them, so I do have an affiliate link, and it is in my Instagram bio as well, which will also be in the caption, so that, or description. It'll be in the description, so you guys can find it there. But yeah, if you wanted to check them out, they are a brand that has clean organic beauty and everything smells amazing and is high performance, and so far I'm loving the Bali Bronze. So to start using the Wadahoo palette, I'm going to take the Morphe M321, which is just a little like bullet crease brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Hoot, which is the dark brown here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that in my crease, and we're just gonna tap and blend that out in the crease. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take a fluffy blending brush and try to buff that out with the shade Celestial, which is this guy right here. So we're just going to dip that into that and then kind of go directly over that dark brown but a little bit above it, and just do some sweeping and circular motions trying to blend that all out. So because my brush is really big and fluffy, it's going to diffuse more and soften that tone. So we're kind of softening up that dark brown. As you can see, it's like really dark over here, but we're losing a lot of that color here. Alright, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take my finger and use that to apply this shade, Olive Flutter, all over my lid. So now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and take Meteor Shower, which is that glitter, and so we're just going to put it everywhere. So I always say, when in doubt, add glitter. So that's what I did here today. We put it all over the lid, all over everything. I'm not exactly a giant fan of how these colors blended out. They kind of look green and they didn't really keep their browns, which is, I don't know. But yeah, I think the glitter kind of saved the day. Let's hope. And then lastly, I'm going to take a smudge brush and just smudge Hoot, which is that dark brown, just all on that lower lash line there. That definitely added some drama, so I'm going to go ahead and put on some lashes, and I'll be back. Alright, so I'm wearing the Tink lashes from Dumb Blonde Cosmetics, and I am going to wear the Orange Cutie lip tint. I am always surprised by the color payoff of these lip tints. They're actually really nice, and they're really soft. And I just put on some of the Glow Getter highlight from the ABH Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit. It is my favorite. And that is the finished look. So I hope you guys like it. I actually kind of like it. I think it turned out pretty good. It's not my favorite look that I've ever done, but I do think there's potential for this palette. I think honestly, I'd probably only use this copper shade, this Olive Flutter, and then this one separately, like in different looks. I don't really see myself using Celestial. Potentially Meteor Shower, which is that pressed glitter, but I don't think I'd be using them all together again, which is kind of a disappointment, but it is what it is. I really liked the Nook Ink palette. I thought that all those colors worked really well together. So I had high hopes for this one, but I was kind of let down a little, which is fine, it happens. So if you liked this video and you want to see more, be sure to check out some of my other ones that I have. They will be on the screen here, and as well be sure to subscribe. Please like, comment, share with your friends. Anything that you like, I would appreciate just some feedback. So yeah, just let me know. And also be sure to follow me on my socials. So I am at rachel.alexandra.makeup on both Instagram and TikTok. and I post a lot more there. I post daily on Instagram and daily on TikTok, almost always on TikTok, but not always. But on Instagram, it's like every day. So I am very active on those. I'm trying to be more active on here, hence this series. But yeah, give me a follow, give me a comment, like, subscribe, any of those things. I appreciate them every time. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, bye.